Welcome to the DM's rant.
Greetings.
Hey there, it's been a while since my last video. In my last videos, I was simply on location, sharing a little bit about my daily expedition to GaryCon. And that was a blast, had all kind of cool things happen there, met a lot of good people, and reconnected with some old friends too. So in the meantime, what I've been doing is I've been perfecting some of my work on my old western towns for my WEGS games. Long story short is I'm perfecting that. So that's what I've been doing with my time. And I don't want to make a lot of videos with the same content. So although I'm perfecting my skill as I go along, I'm not spending a lot of time making videos, showing you some of the same worn out techniques. So that's kind of where I've been. I have 3 or 4 ideas in mind for the next upcoming videos. So I wanted to tell you what was coming ahead. So one of the things I want to do is get with some artists that I know who are also good friends, in some cases family, and kind of interview those artists on what they've been working on and what their contribution to the RPG community is. So I thought that'd be a lot of fun. So I'm going to be doing that coming up really soon. And I've got a few people in mind for that as well. I want to do a video, and I'm calling it The Gods of GaryCon 11. You always hear about the big names that draw people to the conventions. The Gods of GaryCon, I want to focus on the people who, to me, from my little circle of experience, make the convention the reason I go back every year. It's not convenient for me to go to GaryCon, but I love it and I go, and that's the one convention that we go to. So I'm going to spend some time talking about that. That'll be a lot of fun. The third video I thought it'd be interesting to do is I had some people on my Facebook page vote which miniature I'm going to paint next. Well, lo and behold, most people voted for the big old dragon. So I'm going to be painting a huge dragon that a friend of mine, Chris Taylor, gave to me. He's a game designer and a good friend. The fourth idea I had for a video that I'll be working on soon is a behind-the-scenes video. I got this idea from my good friend Bill Allen, but Bill Allen has a whole slew of great videos ranging from terrain making to gaming ideas. He also does D&D with high school students, which is a huge hit, and known from all around the world. So I got the idea from him to do a behind the scenes. So what I'm going to do is do a behind the scenes. I'm helping my daughter-in-law with her Appalachian Monster Manual. It's actually a bestiary. I'm calling it Monster Manual because we all know what that means. So I'm kind of helping her throw some stats in there for an RPG version. So as I do that, I'm going to kind of maybe do 1 or 2 maybe behind the scenes on that, just to kind of show where I'm at with that, and maybe even get some feedback from you as far as what you would like to see and what you think looks pretty good about that project. So anyway, it's been a while since I've made an official video, so I want to at least put something out there so you know where my mind is at, what I'm up to, and what you can expect in the near future. So if you have any ideas for me, throw them at me. And in the meantime, keep your books off the table, keep reaching for the dice.
Welcome to the DM's rant.